this is John Drew here from Elevated Planet. Last week, we brought you the Ascended Masters who had a message for humanity, which was hugely uplifting. Well, today we're changing the tack very slightly. We have a message for mankind from the Archangels. They're telling us about the crisis that is about to unfold that humanity is about to face. This is the time of great transformation. And as we have heard before, mankind has been enslaved. The enslavement's taken place with fear as the weapon of choice. Warmongering, division energy, trying to turn us against each other. As the Archangels will explain, this is a time of new beginnings, a time of love, a time of joy, a time of celebration. But in the near term, we're going to go through some extreme changes.
What the crisis is that the systems that we refer to as the patriarchal, old masculine, created from fear, to foster fear, to multiply fear, to keep fear in control, they are being destroyed. Just like a fire destroys a forest so that new trees can grow. Your financial systems will collapse. Your government systems will collapse. But do not be afraid, for you will celebrate. Because as you open your eyes to these new beginnings that are founded in love and liberation, you will say, now I see that I was enslaved. I was enslaved to fear's paradigm here and fear's lack over here. There will be no more lack. There will be no more enslavement. Everything that has been orchestrated by fear to keep humanity in fear is going to be taken away. And what will replace it are new freedoms, new technologies, new awareness, new understanding of who you are, new possibilities, and incredible joy. Look forward, human beings. When fear is erased, you'll be pleasantly surprised. So, as the crisis or the storm, as it is revealed to you, smile. No, it is just temporary, like a flash forest fire, to prepare the ground, to prepare your hearts and your minds for the truth that love is very real and you are totally loved. And yes, it will be beautiful. If you are here on Schoolroom Earth in this moment, you agreed to witness both before the crisis, the years of crisis, the transformation, and the rebirth, and the birth of your Mother Earth, and of a new life